नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू। खुश रहो बेटियों। आई JVN अमित कुमार शर्मा। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कशंस द ड्रामा ऑफ तुगलक रिटन बाय गिरीश कर्नाड। बी लिसन केयरफुली। नेक्स्ट अपना जो चैप्टर चल रहा था, इंट्रोडक्शन चल रहा था, इंट्रोडक्शन से अपन थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ेंगे। और गिरीश कर्नाड क्लोजली फॉलोज, मैंने इससे पहले थोड़ा सा इंट्रोडक्शन बताया था। गिरीश कर्नाड क्लोजली फॉलोज हिस्टोरिकल रिसोर्सेज इन दिस रेस्पेक्ट्स। In the opening scene, the old man represents the orthodox and clerical class with the vehemently opposed Tughlaq, liberal and rational policies. He says it is insult. ये ऐसा भी कह देता है कई बार वो कि तो अपने को ये सारी चीज़, इट इज़ इंसल्ट टू इस्लाम, ऐसा भी कहा है उसने। इट इज़ insult and to Islam. The young man who defends the liberal attitudes of the Sultan appreciates his devotions to Islam, which has also been mentioned in the words of Ibn I Butatia. He says, now you pray 5 times a day because that's the law, and if you have a officers on your neck, can you mention one earlier sultan in whose time people read the Quran in the street like now? Karnad follows the history in making Tughlaq guilty of his parricides and fratricides. The third man in the first scene has heard that the sultan is guilty of killing his father and brother. Girish Karnad adroitly employs historical evidence about Tughlaq's rush decisions to change the capital from Delhi to Daulatabad. It is turning point in his career and it causes inexpressible suffering to the common people. Historic evidence also proves that Tughlaq took the drastic step to shift the capital for effective administrative controls of South. The contemporary historians emphasizes on mass exodus, which Girish Karnad also presents in Tughlaq. It is not correct. In fact, the upper class, comprising nobles, courtiers, sheikhs, ulema, and the elite were shifted to Daulatabad. The general Hindu public remained unaffected by this project. In order to prove that Sultan Tughlaq was a devil, Karnad Great alerts the historical fact of the rebellion and An-ul-Mulk. Karnad makes Tughlaq weak, so the play at least considered classical play and regarded as the famous historical play. It is true that Karnad has introduced some other details which are not exactly supported historical accounts. The Sultan is said to have two liberally given our gifts to the people who came to Daulatabad, but the play shows the Sultan using force to teach the pupil lessons. Karnad Tughlaq conveys his desires to Nazib when he says, I want Delhi vacated immediately. Every living being in Delhi will leave for Daulatabad within a fortnight. I was too soft, I can see that now. नेक्स्ट जो इसकी स्टेप है वो आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं पढ़ाऊँगा। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।